Hi students, how are you? I hope you are all doing well and fine. Now coming back to the IRR function, this is a abbreviation for returns, the internal rate of return for a series of cash flows represented by the numbers in values. So this is the initial investment, initial cost, sometimes we call it year zero. Pay attention, it must be in minus because we're going to pay it as well. This is all the cash flow that we have in this example. So how do I calculate the IRR? IRR is very easy, just equal, type your function and just select all the values that we have and all the cash flow and press enter. I can see that the IRR is 22% for this cash flow. Now we're going to go for the net present value, and I show you what the net present value is. How do we calculate it? Net present value is very easy. I have the initial investment, here zero, initial cost, whatever you want to call it or name it. This is the cash flow, and I have the rate right here. So equal NPV. What do I have? The rate. After the rate, comma, I'm going to select all the cash flow, all the values except the initial. All of them except the initial. Close the brackets. What do I need to do? I need to subtract or add, the initial cost, initial investment, year zero, whatever, and press enter. This is how you're going to calculate your net present value. So I have three parameters, arguments: rate, cash flow, and initial investment.